Rotary motion components. Rotary tables. Rotary tables allow for controlled rotation of the workpiece, enabling machining operation on multiple side or surfaces. Rotary axis. Rotary axis provide controlled rotation of the machining tool or tooling, enabling machining operation on curved or cylindrical surface. Gearboxes. Gearboxes provide precise control of speed and torque for rotary motion components, ensuring accurate and efficient operations. Precision, positioning, and accuracy. Feedback systems. CNC machines use feedback systems such as encoders or resolvers to measure the actual position of the machine tool and compare it to the programmed position. Error correction. The control unit uses the feedback information to correct any positioning error and ensure that the machine tool moves precisely as intended. Repeatability. CNC machines are known for their high repeatability, meaning they can consistently produce parts with the same precision over multiple runs. Thermal management and compensation. Thermal expansion. CNC machines are subjected to thermal expansion due to heat generated during operation. This can affect the accuracy of positioning. Cooling system. CNC machines use cooling systems to dissipate heat and minimize thermal expansion. This includes coolant circulation and temperature controlled environment. Thermal compensation. Advanced CNC systems incorporate thermal compensation algorithms that adjust the machine tool's position to account for thermal expansion and maintain accuracy. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Regular lubrication. Regular lubrication of linear guideways, ball screws, and other moving components is essential to reduce friction and wear, ensuring smooth and accurate operation. Cleaning and inspection. Regular cleaning of the machine tool, including removing chips and debris, helps prevent damage and maintain accuracy. Future trends in CNC mechanical system. Advanced automation. CNC machines are becoming increasingly automated with features like automatic tool changing, robotic loading, and remote monitoring. Additive manufacturing integration. Artificial intelligence, AI. Sustainability. CNC systems are becoming more energy efficient and environmentally friendly with advancement in materials, designs, and manufacturing processes.